Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a comprehensive guide on how to prevent everyone from tagging you in TikTok. By the end of this tutorial, you will have complete control over who can tag you in TikTok content. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your device. Step 2. Tap on the profile icon located in the bottom drawer. This will take you to your TikTok profile. Step 3. In the top right corner, you'll notice 3 stacked lines. Tap on those lines to access the TikTok
may soon
menu.
be history.
Step 4.
Click on link
From
1.
the menu,
Let's get
select Settings and Privacy. Step 5. Within the Settings and Privacy section, tap on Privacy. Step 6. Scroll down to find the Interactions category and tap on Mentions and Tags. Step 7. You'll see Tags as an option. Tap on it. Step 8. Finally, select No One. By following these simple steps, you can prevent everyone from tagging you in TikTok videos. This feature grants you full control over the tags in your TikTok content, allowing you to maintain your privacy and manage your online presence effectively. We understand that managing tags is important to many TikTok users, and this guide will help you achieve that. Remember, you can always adjust your settings later if you decide to allow tags. Thank you for watching and enjoy a more personalized TikTok experience with complete control over tags.